Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Given that the square root of x to the power of 3 plus 1 is greater than or equals to number 1 and smaller than or equals to number 3 on the interval from 0 to number 2. Now we need to estimate about this integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we have this equation. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of number 1, we have 1x, or we can put about x, and now we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. This one we have 3x, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And this one we have 2 minus 0. This one we have 2 minus 0. This one we have number 2. This one we have number 6. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.